Today, we are going to Mackinac Island.
Waiting for the sunshine. Waiting for the sunshine. Ooh, waiting for the sunshine. Waiting for the sunshine. Ooh, waiting for the sunshine.
So, for those of you that don't know, it's up at the northern part of Michigan, up in the Upper Peninsula, and it's an island. This was recommended by a friend and colleague, and supposedly it's going to be really good. There's no cars allowed on the island, so we're gonna see if that's as great as I think it's going to be, and I'm willing to bet it's going to be awesome. The Native Americans in this place used to live in what's called a wigwam, and they were dome structures that were set up with bark and saplings. Apparently they could be set up in a matter of hours, which is kind of cool when they had to move. So along with the fact that there are no cars on this island, it's 4 square miles, so you get to come along as we walk the entire island. This is basically going to be very similar to when we walked the entire stretch of New York City. The kind of cool part is we get to bring Seijo because they are doggo friendly. So this will be the first time that she gets to go on a ferry, which might be kind of entertaining. And as you can see here, she's loaded down full pupper caddy style. She's carrying all of our stuff because she needs to make those pupper biscuits. That's Mackinac Island out there. Seijo, are you gonna be brave, doggo?
So nervous. I just already can tell.
Seijo's ready to go.
And we are now going to walk the entire perimeter. So downtown is that way, and we are heading that way. It's 8.2 miles. The first thing we will come to is Devil's Kitchen, a small group of sea caves.
We're not even like a mile in. We might be a mile.
No,
And
we're not.
Alicia says, no, we're not a mile. And I've decided cars are the worst. This is so nice to walk and have no car noise. Like, you don't understand how much of your outside time is filled with that car noise. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Also, check out this Grand Hotel over here. That's literally the name. And then this is their pool over here.
Reason number 2 why cars suck.
Because if you can see here, there's so much smog.
So while this hike is absolutely beautiful, the signs that surround Mackinac Island tell the story of the Native Americans in this area. And the nice part is they don't cherry coat it.
We're officially halfway.
And how are you feeling? Mile marker 3, that means we have 3 to go, 5 behind us.
My feet are getting a little tired, but overall, I feel pretty good. We stopped and had a Cliff Bar at around mile marker 4.5, so let's keep trucking.
It's a little windy on this side. The other side's completely protected from the wind, but this side you do get a nice, cool breeze. So. And that wraps up Mackinac Island.
Thumbs up from me.
Yep, thumbs up from me. if you are gonna go and you have the stamina to be able to walk, I would 100% walk
Yep,
over riding a bike.
I would too. Everybody rides a bike. We saw maybe 3 or 4 groups that were walking, and you really miss a lot when you're riding a bike.
Yeah. You
nice
you
to
can really
slow down.
see everything when you're walking.
Yep.
And
It's
it was
true.
awesome.
And take all of the side trails you want and not worry about your bike and all sorts of
Yep.
stuff like that. So
Yep. And you save $12 to $15 an hour, so
yeah, and if you bring your own, that's like
it's even cheaper.
$25 to get it on the ferry.
Yeah.
So the total cost for the ferry today was $68, and then we also bought lunch and ice cream on the island. So, but you can do it for as cheap as $68.
Yep. And now we're off to Pointed Rocks.
Painted rocks,
Painted Rocks.
pictured rocks.
Waiting for the sunshine. Waiting for the sunshine.